Get acquainted with the 2023 Acura Integra. Show the world your style in this sophisticated Integra. Its bold looks and premium craftsmanship signal a fresh new feeling of excitement underpinned by zesty performance, high safety scores, and impressive fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, power passenger seat, active suspension, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Get the style and performance you've been looking for in this striking Integra. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.